Warm up to loosen your joints and warm up your body. Today, we're focusing on targeting core strength and burning belly fat with this easy Tai Chi session. This workout is designed to strengthen your midsection and improve stability without any high-impact movements. No equipment is needed. Just find a comfortable space, engage your core, and let's get started. Exercise 1. Three, two, one, start. Step lightly to the side as your arms open wide, keeping your chest lifted and movement relaxed. This gentle weight shift begins to engage your core and improve whole body coordination. Exercise 2. Three, two, one, begin. Reach upward as you step out, then hinge forward and sweep your arms back like wings. Keep your core gently engaged to support stability and controlled movement. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Join me. Sink into a deep, steady stance as your arms rise and your palms meet overhead. Keep your midsection engaged to build core strength while maintaining smooth, grounded control. Exercise 4. Three, two, one, go. Rotate gently through your waist as one palm opens outward and the other stays close to your body. Let the turn flow from your center to support spinal mobility and coordination. Exercise 5. Three, two, one. Let's begin. Rise from the low stance as your arms float upward and open wide. Let your torso lengthen naturally, creating a gentle stretch through your chest, abdomen, and hips. Exercise 6. Three, two, one. Follow along. Fold diagonally toward one foot as the opposite arm reaches upward, creating a smooth cross-body stretch. Keep your core gently active to support the rotation and protect your lower back. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Move with me. Rotate smoothly through your waist as one fist rises beside your head and the other settles near your hip. Keep your stance grounded and let the torso guide the turn. Exercise 8. Three, two, one. Begin. Shift into a low side stance as one arm reaches overhead and the other lowers toward your knee. Keep your midsection engaged to strengthen the core through the diagonal movement. Exercise 9. Three, two, one. Join me. Extend one foot forward. Shift your weight smoothly and let one arm rise as you step through. Keep your body centered to develop balance and steady coordination. Exercise 10. Three, two, one, go. Reach your palms overhead to lengthen your body. Then fold forward with a relaxed, controlled motion. Feel the gentle stretch through your back, hips, and legs. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Let's begin. Step forward lightly as your arms unfold wide from the center. Keep your weight steady between transitions, letting the open posture encourage balance, coordination, and an easy finish to the sequence. Exercise 12. Full body relaxation. Stand comfortably and let your arms rest naturally by your sides. Breathe slowly, release any remaining tension, and allow your whole body to settle into a calm, relaxed finish. Great job today! Keep practicing this easy Tai Chi routine regularly to strengthen your core, improve stability, and support your fitness goals. Take a deep breath, relax your body, and carry this calm energy with you for the rest of your day.